To understand pivot tables, you need to see how they fit in with Excel other database analysis features. Database analysis has several levels of complexity. The simplest level involves the basic lookup and retrieval of information. For example, if you have a database that lists the company's sales representatives and their territory sales, you could search for a specific representative to look up the sales in that representative territory. For example, suppose that each sales territory is part of a larger region and you want to know the total sales in the East region. You could either subtotal by region or set up your criteria to match all territories in the East region. In the simplest case, pivot tables work by summarizing the data in one field and breaking it down according to the data in another field. The unique values in the second field become the row headings. With a pivot table, I can summarize the numbers in the sales field and break them down by region. I can further break down data by specifying a third field to use of column headings. The big news with pivot tables is the pivoting feature. I can use it to see different views of data. For example, I can drag the column field over to the row field area.